Okay, hello dear friends. Let's do some math problem for problems 13 and 18. 13 through 18. Sketch the graph of the quadratic function with the given vertex and intercept. So what we are going to do that not only we draw the graph, we also find its mathematical function, the quadratic function, in vertex form and in standard form. So let's do it. The first problem, 13, we write it down. Vertex is 2 and 3, and y-intercept is 7. And in another word, it passes through 0, 7, this line, this point. So we draw a graph here. The vertex is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, and it passes through 0, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pass through this point. And we know parabola is symmetric to this, the middle line. I don't know how to say it in English. So you go 1, 2, 1, 2, find another symmetric, point. Now we can draw this parabola, and this is the parabola. Now we know the graph, and we want to figure out its mathematical function. Y equal ax times h squared plus k, where h, k is the vertex, and we know the vertex is 2, 3, this point. So plug in the number so that we can figure out y equal a times x minus 2 squared plus 3. And it passes through the y-intercept, which means pass through this point. 7 equal a 0 minus 2 squared plus 3. 7 equal a times negative 4 squared is positive 4 plus 3. And minus 3, 4 equal a times 4. So a equal to 1. Now we get the function y equal x minus 2 squared plus 3. And this is a vertex form. We want to change into the standard form, y equal ax squared plus bx plus c. Now what we need to do is that we open this one up. Just do some mathematic cleaning up. Equal x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 3 equal x squared minus 4x plus 7. So this is the mathematical function in standard form, and this is the mathematical function in vertex form. Okay, vertex form and standard form. Standard. Okay, thank you very much. Can you see it? Am I out of the range? I hope I am good. Okay, number 14. Vertex negative 3, positive 2, intercept negative 4, So we will make it simple, writing in a simple way. This time we use blue pen. 14, we have vertex, -3, +2, and y-intercept, which means x is 0, -4. So draw a line, -4. We make enough room for this negative. So a lot of things happens in the negative, so we can draw it a little bit uplifted. So this is our plane, is our 坐标 coordinate plane. Okay, 0, vertex -3, 1, 2, 3, +2, 1, 2, here. So this is -3, +2. Okay, and it passes through 0 and -4. X is 0, y is -4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It passes through this line, this point, and it's symmetric to it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Pass these 2 points. Now we can draw. Use beautiful pink. How about so this is the parabola. This is the parabola, and now what we are going to do is to figure out its formula. Y equal ax minus h square plus k. And we know what? We know y equal a, we do not know. H we know. X minus -3 is plus +3 square and plus 2. Y equal, okay, up to here we can plug in the real number. This point we know it is in the graph. So -4 equal a. X is 0, 0 plus 3 square plus 2. So -4 equal 9a plus 2. So 9a equal -6. A equal -2/3. Okay, so after we figure out a, plug this a number back in. Y equal -3/2x plus 3 square plus 2. So this is the vertex form. Now we change it into standard form. So we need to open this one up. Y equal -2/3 x square plus 6 x plus 9 plus 2 parenthesis plus 2. You can do whichever way, and this one seems pretty simple. So what I will do, I will just coefficient goes into each of, distribute into each individual terms. -3/2x square, negative 4x, -6 plus 2, right? So we opened up the inside and the outside. We didn't change anything. We do not want to change anything. So equal negative. Now we need to do some housekeeping, cleaning up. -4x, -6, +2, -4. So this is the standard form. y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So this is a standard form. Okay, standard form. And vertex form. Vertex form, standard form. Okay. Number 15, vertex 1, negative 3, y-intercept negative 6. So first write it down. Vertex 3, negative 1, and y-intercept, we can write it just this way. Okay. So draw y equal negative 6. So you see there are a lot of negative numbers, so the graph is relatively have more room on the bottom part. Positive 3. You kind of make your graph work for you, right? Vertex, positive 3, negative 1, 1, 2, 3, negative 1, 3, negative 1, 0, negative 6. Let me write down 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 6, 0, negative 6. It passed these points, and we know this is the symmetry line. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It passed these 2 points. Now we use this beautiful pink to draw the graph. We will not put too many numbers. I do not plot when x is 1, y is how many, x is negative 1. We do not need to do that because we already know that parabola graph is symmetric. It either goes down, which is happy phase, or a sad phase. We know it roughly. Now we will figure out the formula. Y equal ax minus h plus a square plus k. Okay, y equal ax h minus 3 square k negative 1, and plug in the real number. Negative 6 equal 0 minus 3 square minus 1, negative 6 equal 9a minus 1. So 9a equal to negative 5, a equal negative 5 over 9, 9/5. So we figure out a. Now we write down the formula. Y equal 9/5乘以 x 减3的平方减1. So this is standard form. Open it up, make it into this is the vertex form, make into standard form. Y equal negative x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus 1, 9/5 x squared plus negative negative positive, and this is 2, this is 3 over 10 x, and 9 minus 5 minus 1 equal negative 9, 9/5 x 加10 x squared 加10减6. So this is the standard form, and this is a vertex form. Yeah, because your teacher wants you to have a standard form, and vertex form. We do them all. Yeah, you want it, I give you. You want some, I get ya. You want some, I give ya. You want some, I give ya. Okay, so you want some, I give you. Okay, numero 60. I don't know, 60 or something. Number 16. I use this digital blue. 16. We have vertex, we have intercepts, y-intercept. So let's write it down. Vertex is -3, -6, and y-intercept, which means x is 0, y is -4. Okay, I make sure I see it clear. So a lot of things happen in the negative, so you know this graph should put a lot of give a lot of room on the lower part and on the left part. Okay, so the vertex -3, -6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the vertex. -3, -6. Okay, vertex. And it passed through x equals 0, y -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it passed 0, -4, and we know it's symmetric, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it passed through these points also. Now we will draw a line. I already know that the coefficient will be smaller than 1. Whenever it is fat, its asset is a small number. And yeah, I know this sounds a little bit discriminating, but when the parabola is thin, the asset is high. Just imagine a fashion model, the thinner gets bigger money. Well, this is not right, we know, but this is a sad fact in our real life. And when it is fat, the coefficient is, the absolute value is smaller than 1. Let's see if I am right. Okay, let's do it. So we plug in y equal ax minus h squared plus k, right? So y equal a times x, and h is -3, negative plus 3 square, and k is -6, right? Now we plug in y equal -4 equal a times x is 0, 0 plus 3 square minus 6. Okay, so this is a positive number and smaller than 1. Let's see. -4 equal 9a minus 6. So 9a equal positive 2. A equal 2/9, right? It is smaller than 1. See? Yeah. When it is a fat, it is smaller than 1. It is a smaller number. Okay. So we plug it back in, become become a vertex form. Y equal 2 over 9 x plus 3 square minus 6. So this is a vertex form. Now we change, open it up and make it into a standard form. Y equal 9/2 x square plus 6x plus 9 minus 6 equal 9/2 x square 加322这个4 4 x plus 2 minus 6 equal 9/2 x 方加4 x 减4. So this is our standard form. And this is our vertex form. Okay? Formula. Baby formula. Number 16. Okay? 3, -4. And the x-intercept, y is 0, x is positive 2, 1, 2. So it passed through these points, and we know there is no way it's like this. It must be either a smiley face or sad face, and you have one point to reach to this to this vertex. So definitely it is. Here, you look for the symmetry point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the other point is here. Now we connect them. I am very sure the coefficient, because it's fat, this is fat, so the coefficient is a small number. The absolute value of the coefficient is smaller than 1. And it's a smiley face, it's a positive number. Let's do it. Y equal ax minus h square plus k. HK or KH, did I got it confused? Anyway, these are all artificial numbers you plugged in. Okay, y equal ax h plus 3 square minus 4. And we plug in this number y equal 0. A is 2 plus 3 square minus 4. Okay, so so we can move it. 0 is 25a minus 4, so 25a is 4a is 4 out of 25. Am I right? It's smaller than 1 because it's a fat. Yeah, the asset is smaller. Yeah, the asset is smaller than 1. The absolute value is smaller than 1, so it's fat. Okay, okay. Now we plug this one back into our formula. Y equal 25/4 x 加3 square 减4. So this is vertex form. Now we change into standard form. Y equal 25/4乘以 x 平方加 6x 加9减4等于25/4 x 平方 加25分之4，6 24x 加25分之4，9 36减去4等于25分之4x 平方加25分之24x and 4 4 this is 25分之36减去25分之100 right yeah 减去25分之64 so this is the standard form. And this is the vertex form and standard formula form the function. Okay, the last one, number 18. Okay, number 18, we use this color of pencil again. So we have vertex 3 and 4 and x-intercept positive 1. Let me write it down. Vertex 3 and 4 and x-intercept. X is 1, y is 0, right? So we draw a line. Positive 3, positive 4. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 3 and 4 1 and 0 x is 1 y is 0 and this one is 1 and 0 so 1 2 we find the symmetry line. This one the coefficient is bigger. It should be bigger than 1 and it's a negative number because it's unhappy because it's not a smiley face, so it's negative. He is always negative. He is never happy. Yeah, so it's a negative number to make sure. And it's seen it has a bigger asset, at least 1 or even bigger than 1. Okay, the absolute value. Okay, let's try it. Y equal ax minus h square plus k. Y equal ax minus 3 square plus 4, and we have the formula, plug in the number. Y equals 0 equal to 1 minus 3 square plus 4, 0 equal times negative 2 square is 4 plus 4. So 4a equal negative 4a equal negative 1. Ooh. So this is just so I said it's right. Its absolute value is 1. Let's do it. And so the standard form formula, y equal negative x minus 3 square plus 4. Now we open it up. Y equal negative x square plus 6. Okay, I will do it slowly, not opening up this one. X next square minus 6x plus 9 plus 4 equal negative x square plus 6x minus 9 plus 4 equal negative x squared plus 6x minus 5. So this is our standard formula, and this is our vertex formula. Bye bye. You have a good evening. I love you. I really do. Do.